So today what we will do is we will check how the termite baiting system can eliminate this termite colony which is present in the termite mound. So but first we will see the adjacent soil. We will make it wet and then we will dig this soil with the help of auger. Now how does this auger look? You can see that there is a kind of drill at the end of this termite auger, this drilling auger, and this auger will be used for making a 10-inch deep hole into the soil by just turning the this drill, and it is a very easy system. You can simply keep on turning and it will keep on drilling the soil, the wet soil, and pushing up the soil in the metallic well which is there. So you can see that you have to remove this soil, and then you can continue to make a small hole which is sufficient to fix up this this bait station. This is a bait station by Decke Global. So now the hole is big enough and we can install this bait station. You can see the bait station has a bait in that station, which is a small wooden block, and it is hung with the help of a plastic strip, and this will be acting as a food because we know that termite is attracted to the cellulose, and this is a cap which has to be fitted on that bait station, which is very simple to operate. And then you have to fix this lead on this cap, and you have to insert this bait station into the ground, and your bait station is now ready for installation. Now what we have to do is we have to add water in this well of the bait station so that it is sufficiently moist. Even the wood will become moist and it will attract termites. So this is all about installation of the termite baiting bait station.